just had my shower. That does feel good to just have a shower. This is the room. It's quite nice. The apartment itself was quite nice. He had some friends over, so I didn't really feel like I could just film and be like, hey, I'm vlogging. But yeah, no, it was a nice time. Driving in the city though really makes me miss the nature. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna head out and head for nature again. But this was really nice. And I really appreciate the hospitality. Like, he just let me in and crash in his bed while he's on the sofa. But yeah, I'm gonna head back to the van and then drive into Belgium to pick up my drone. Bye.
This is a warning from the past, to make sure you're learning from mistakes that you did last. Send me a letter when you're done, evaluating what your short life has become. You should know. You should know.
I'm gonna keep this short and I'm not gonna talk too loud. I'm in a forest near Bastogne right now. And this is where the last offensive strike from the Germans found place. It was basically to see, like, one last ditch effort to see if they can break the Allied forces. And as you can see over here, like, this one isn't really convincing, but still, like, there must have been like some sort of mortar impact or soldiers dug in themselves. And here you can see there's a way bigger one, and there's loads of crosses near it. You see a lot of people have excursions towards this place as well. Like, when I parked my van up, there was a bus coming, and there were loads of like students walking in this forest and stuff, and people are still coming to see what's happening. So yeah, I do think that this is like a pretty important place where a battle found place. I'm gonna show you some footage and I'm gonna stop talking. Okay, ciao.
In light of what you've seen so far, there are better ways. Throw preconceptions down the drain, 'cause this is your last chance. You should know. You should know. When you are ready, it will begin to glow. This time tomorrow, the future I will show.
going to a place that's called Park du Natural de Forest or something. Park Natural de Forest.
Parc Natural de Forest.
I have to do the accent, otherwise I just can't pronounce whatever the Frenchies are making up. Yeah, I'm just sticking above the place. I'm not actually going into the national parks because I do believe that it's illegal to park inside the parks. But that's basically what I've been doing for the past few days, is just find natural parks and try to park as much inside as I can, which I guess has been somewhat successful. I've landed some nice spots. What I have not been doing is actually going out into the surroundings, and that might change today, because it does say that there's a... I need to pay attention here. It does say that there's a hiking starting point, so I might check that out. The plan for now, like I said, go to the Natural Forest Park, I think it's just called in English. Do a hike, see what's up, throw my drone up in the air, see what's up again, and yeah, I still have dinner left from yesterday. Like, I've just been cooking dinner and then eating it for 3 days, so that's good. I don't have to worry about getting dinner. So yeah, I'll take some nice videos of the road now. It's a 30-minute more drive. 30 minutes more. That's doable. It's not too long. I'll see you when I get there.
Although spirits were high, this day soon became a little roller coaster of its own. The place where I wanted to stay didn't turn out to have a hiking trail.
The sun's out.
Sla linksaf naar de D102.
My guns are out. And I cannot see what I'm recording. So,
When I had picked and driven to the next place, upon arriving my mind was already made up on whether to stay or not.
Arrivé. I'm not quite sure if I like this place. I think I already made up my mind, but... Made you yawn. So yeah.
This day slowly became a slugfest between me and the road. Driving up and down the same piece of badly maintained asphalt towards a 5-star rated place to stay the night. With every place I skipped, the more I started thinking, am I too picky? Is this way of traveling not meant for me? Why can't I seem to find peace where the people in the comment section of my travel app clearly have? This quickly snowballed into a blizzard of bad thoughts running through my head. This day slowly became a slugfest between me and the road, and up until this point, the road was clearly winning.
Wow. Okay, I have made it. I'm not sure what was gonna happen because there's a touring bus behind me and then there's motorcycles in front of me, and I don't know. In my head it was a bit bigger than it actually is. I'm just gonna chill for a bit. My goodness. Stretch my legs as well. My lanta. My legs are killing me. Yeah, I'm just gonna move to the back. See you in a bit. feel like I should have to tell you this. I think life is funny in this way. That the moment I was starting to think like I wasn't doing enough hikes and should I do more hikes, and I wish there was a nice hike that I could do. All of a sudden I drive to 3 spots and 2 of them are shit, or I didn't feel right, or I couldn't get to it. And then the 3rd spot doesn't feel right as well, because if it would have felt right, I would have just sat there and I don't know, just stopped. I would have started to relax. So I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna stretch my legs because my legs are hurting anyway. And all of a sudden you get this this super spot. Like, this is amazing. Like, I can hear drones flying over as well, which is funny to me. People are just taking it in. And this really reminds me of a friend I have in Germany. And I won't say her name, but she'll know what I'm talking about. And she's really big into the universe and stuff, which is funny. Well, it's not funny, like, but I really dig that she is so into it. And I came to visit her one time, and she was like, "Oh, if you just think something and say it into the universe, you will get what you ask for, no matter what. But you truly need to want it." And she was like, "I'm really ready to find the love of my life. Like, I've had a few bumps now, and I just want pure love now, you know?" And I was like, "Oh, you know what you have to do? Say it into the universe." And she did. Time went by, and I came to visit her the next time. Found the love of her life, and she's still with him right now. So, well, I don't know if it's the love of her life, but she's still with him right now, which I love that. But yeah, it reminded me so much of her when I just said, "Oh, I wish I had a hike, I wish I had a hike. I wish I could just get out for a bit." And all of a sudden, like, life leads me to this exact moment. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm telling you guys, just ask it. Ask the universe what you want. And you truly need to want it. You need to be ready for it, because you will get it.
You ain't helping me at all. The memories, they all twist and turn. I bang my head against the wall. Yeah, somehow I just never learn.
Let's see if the van is in good shape. Oh, it is, beautifully.
In the back of the schoolyard, where we used to play hide and seek. You smiled and low, oh my God, and there was no need to speak.
Belgium, please take notes. This is what a road looks like. Because the roads in Belgium are absolute shit.
Always with a spark. I wish I could forget. We learned about it from the start. Nostalgia.
This day slowly became a slugfest between me and the road. And I won.
I didn't press recording. I'm an idiot. I've been talking to you guys for like 10 minutes until the camera went back in. But I've been saying it in my head over and over. Like, today, I finally feel like Camino de la Mervinho. has begun. Like, this is how it's supposed to be. Without all the shit of the morning, of course, but I feel like this is how it's supposed to be. Like, without the bad, you don't see the good. If it was just good all the time, it would eventually become bad, if it makes any sense. During the bad this morning, I just felt like somebody up there just picked me up and said, no, you go here, you walk, and then you go there and you sleep, and then you have a good day. And that's basically how it went. Like, so yeah, I'm just gonna have some spaghetti. This is the place where I'm staying, by the way. You can just have all these spots, and all you have to drive through is this bit. Once you've done that, like, Bob definitely is your uncle. Yeah, alright, see ya.